everybody, it is your girl Sparkle and Shine coming back to you today with another video. I like to say welcome back to my channel, to all of my returning viewers and subscribers, and to all of my brand new subscribers, welcome to the Sparkle and Shine family. I am so glad that you decided to click on my thumbnail and join me for another video today. So today, as you can see, I have a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. This bag, I was so excited and delighted to get this bag because it is I would like to say it's kind of rare. It's kind of a rare bag. Like I haven't seen a lot of videos on this bag, but it is a beauty. So I, without further ado, am going to just go ahead and show everybody what's in this box. So here we go. I did open the box previously, so I did look at it, but here she is. And let's take this down, put it back here. This is the Dooney and Bourke Belmar Drawstring bag. This in the color tan. So this is a beautiful, beautiful bag. And as you can see, there's her information. And I'm going to take this out of the package. Oh, now I have to give a shout out to my purse sister, Miss P. Banks, because she is the first person that I saw with this beautiful bag. And she said on the video, I almost said she said to me, she said on the video, "Girl, get your bag, get your bag." When I went to get the bag though, it was already sold out. And I said, oh well, I'll just, that's just one I missed out on, right? And I went on the Dooney and Bourke website, and lo and behold, here was this bag. So she is, now this bag came out last year, and this is the quantity 5 of 10, as you can see right there, if you can see it. So yes, this bag is stunning. This bag is absolutely stunning. And when I tell you that this bag is worth every bit of the coins that I spent on the purchase of this bag, it is worth it. When I tell you that Dooney and Bourke is second to none in the entire purse industry when it comes to the quality of and the craftsmanship of their handbags, and their especially the higher end ones, the ones that are made out, this is made out of vegetable tanned leather. It has feet on the bottom. Look how smooth that is on the bottom. And it's vegetable tan leather. And I'm going to go over vegetable tanning in a little bit. But look at the stitching. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, the lighting is making this look a little bit lighter than it actually is. So I'm going to see if I can turn the lighting down just a little bit, and we can get the true picture of this bag. So that's a little better. So now here is, I pulled out my Dooney and Bourke Ginger Harrison Hobo in the Florentine leather. These colors are very, very similar. They're not exactly the same color. This has more of a reddish undertone to it, but they're very similar. This bag, when I'm telling you, I am flabbergasted. I am overwhelmed with the quality of this bag. Look at the buckle. Look at this stitching. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And Dooney and Bourke, the hardware is 14 karat gold plated, 14 karat gold plated hardware. This bag is so, so beautiful, y'all. It is so beautiful. Now, let's see. I'm going to take her, I'm going to uncinch her and remove all of the stuffing that's in here. It comes with a dust bag. And we're familiar with Dooney's dust bag. I do not have a Dooney duck. So I don't have a Dooney sticker in my box, but this is the inside. And I'm going to remove all of this stuffing. And here is the inside of the bag. It's trimmed in this beautiful leather. It has the zipper pocket, the slip pocket, and then it also has these two little slip pockets, leather slip pockets. Like, let me see if I can show you those. You can, it's hard for me to show you with the camera being at this angle, but here is these little leather patches right there. Those are little small slip pockets as well. And look at the leather around the edge. It's the folded leather that goes all around the edge of the bag. It has this beautiful D-ring where you can, like, you can hang your charms on there. If you want to take this off and put something else, another charm on there, you can. This bag is just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then it has the two slip pockets on this side of the bag. I love the gray, the cream color interior. And it has the key keeper, of course. That's standard in Dooney bags. And it has the Dooney and Bourke registration card. It is just gorgeous. And you guys, it is made in America. Made in the good old USA. Now, I'm telling you, I am so delighted, so excited to have this bag in my collection because Miss P kept saying, girl, get your bag, get your bag. And I was like, I'm trying to get it, Miss P, but they don't have it no more. Then I watched all the YouTube videos I could watch for this bag. And I think Mom Ambition has the bag. She has it in the brown T-Moro. And I think there's one other YouTuber that has this bag as well. And it's as lovely, as beautiful, as gorgeous, as the quality is impeccable. I'm telling you, Dooney knocked this one out of the park. And I am looking forward to it. If they came out with one in red, I would definitely, most definitely get it. This bag cost, I think it's on Dooney and Bourke. They're still available on the Dooney and Bourke website for $4.95. And I'm telling you, it's just beautiful. Now, as you can see, I have a similar color in my natural But this color is different. This is more of a like a rust or terracotta color. Although on camera it doesn't look like it, but in person it's just gorgeous. It's in the this smooth vegetable tan leather, and the leather smells so good, so good. So I got curious and I looked up what vegetable tanning is. Vegetable tanning is when they take the bark from plants and trees, and they use the tannins, which are little chemicals in plants and in tree bark and that type of thing, and fruits even have tannins, and they take the chemicals and use the chemicals out of those items, and they use that to treat the leather, and that's why it's called vegetable tanned leather. Because I was curious, like, vegetable tanned leather, what kind of vegetables do they use it to give it color, or but they use it to treat it, and they said that's also what contributes to the smell of the bag and what makes this leather smell so good. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to move into this bag. It is a nice neutral color, and I am so looking forward. Look at this handle on here, and look how it goes on. And you can even adjust the straps. See the holes on the handle? You can adjust the strap. It's 4 holes, and so I'm just going to put it over my shoulder like this so you can see how it looks on my shoulder. I'm telling you, this bag is beautiful. Let's see if I can stand up and show you a little bit how it looks. It's gorgeous, and it hits me right where I would want it to hit me in a sweet spot. So yeah, this is beautiful. I am so glad that I decided to add this bag to my collection. And I love Dooney Bourke drawstring bags anyway, because Dooney Bourke makes the best drawstrings. To me, of all the brands, Dooney Bourke's drawstring bags are they're just impeccable quality. And I'm telling you, you will be hard pressed to find a Dooney Bourke bag, another brand's drawstring bag that is comparable to a Dooney Bourke drawstring bag. I'm telling you, Dooney Bourke, in my mind, and with the quality of this bag right here, it is luxury. It may not have the status symbol of luxury as, you know, the LVs or Gucci or the other higher end brands, but as far as quality and craftsmanship and the quality of the leather, it surpasses some of the higher end luxury brand names, in my opinion. So that is all that I have for you today. I wanted to unbox this beautiful Dooney Bourke drawstring bag. Oh, also, I wanted to show you some items that I was thinking about I could wear in here. I have this little pouch right here, and it has pictures of ladies, and it's got it has that color brown and tan in there, but it also has pink and yellow and like a light green. So I was like, okay, so I pulled some things out to try to see if I could match some things with this bag. And so I would probably wear it like this, and then I have my Coach, Coach wristlet. I probably will put that with it, you know, just to bring it, make it colorful. And then I have this little manicure set. I put that with it. And then I have my little perfume itomizer. I will put that with it. And then I have, let's see what else I have. I have this wallet, this Coach wallet. That's pretty. That will go very well. So let me put that just right there. And yeah, that's probably what I'm going to wear with this bag. I'm going to pop these tags off. Matter of fact, I'm going to take, this is staying. This is so beautiful. This is not going anywhere. I'll take these tags off. I'll come back and do a what's in my bag on this lovely bag. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I just wanted to show you the bag of the day that I am carrying real quick. This is my Coach Crystal Tabby in the Rainbow Crystal from the Rainbow Crystal collection. And I did not do an unboxing on this lovely bag, but she is in my collection, and I will come back and do a video on her at another time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let's chat it up. Let's talk about what your thoughts are about Dooney and Bourke and Coach and just the handbag, the brands and the quality. And let's just talk about it. And as always, remember never to let anyone take away your sparkle or dull your shine. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Mwah.